In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Teams mentions. Using mentions is an incredibly effective way to ensure your messages grab the attention of specific individuals or even entire groups within your bustling Microsoft Teams environment. It cuts through the noise and directs critical information exactly where it needs to go. To begin, the very first thing you'll need to do is open the Microsoft Teams application. This might involve launching the desktop client from your computer's start menu or taskbar, or perhaps navigating to the Teams web client using your preferred internet browser. Whichever method you choose, make sure you are properly logged in with your organizational account. Once Teams is open and fully loaded, you'll typically be presented with your main dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a navigation pane displaying all the different teams you're a part of, and within each team, a list of various channels. This initial step is your gateway to all communication and collaboration within your workspace, so ensure you have Teams up and running smoothly before proceeding. It's foundational to accessing any of the features we'll discuss. Once Microsoft Teams is open and you've navigated through your various teams, your next crucial action is to select the specific channel where you intend to post your message. Perhaps it's a project-specific channel like Project Alpha, a departmental channel such as marketing discussions, or even the general channel for broader announcements. Take a moment to ensure you've clicked on the correct channel from the left-hand navigation pane. After selecting your channel, direct your attention to the very bottom of the conversation feed. Here, you'll find the message composition box. It often displays a prompt like "Start a new post" or "Type a new message." To activate this input area and begin crafting your communication, simply click directly into this text box. Once clicked, your cursor will appear, ready for you to type, and you might see various formatting options become available above the input field. This prepares the space for your upcoming message and any important mentions you wish to include. With your cursor now active in the message composition box within your chosen channel, you're ready to master the art of mentioning. This is the core functionality for drawing specific attention. To mention a particular team member, all you need to do is type the @ symbol. As soon as you type @, Microsoft Teams' intelligent autocomplete feature will spring into action, presenting you with a list of suggestions. This list typically includes individual team members, channels, and sometimes even entire teams that you can directly mention. Next, immediately after the @ symbol, start typing the name of the person you want to notify. For instance, if you want to mention a colleague named Jane Doe, you would type @Jane. The suggestion list will dynamically filter as you type, helping you quickly locate and select the correct individual. Once you see their name appear in the drop-down list, you can either click on it directly with your mouse or use your arrow keys to highlight their name and then press enter. Their name will then appear highlighted within your message, visually confirming that they have been successfully mentioned. After mentioning the individual, you can then proceed to write your complete message, providing all the necessary context, questions, or information you need to convey. A clear and concise message following the mention ensures the recipient understands the purpose of your notification. For example, you might type, @Jane Doe, could you please provide an update on the Q3 report by tomorrow? This ensures Jane receives a direct notification, making it far less likely that your important message will be overlooked in a busy channel. You can mention multiple people in a single message by simply repeating the @ symbol and typing each of their names. Once your message is finalized, just hit the send button,